Hi everyone, today's video I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal swallow or oatmeal fufu. This recipe is very easy and is very delicious. If you have been thinking, oh, can I use oatmeal for a swallow or for a fufu, I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's very easy. If you're interested, let's dive into this. And welcome to my channel. My name is Olayemi and welcome to Olayemi Cooking. So I will be using oatmeal to make this oatmeal swallow. You can use quick oats, you can use a old-fashioned oats. Any oatmeal you have available is perfectly fine for this swallow or this fufu. And if you are trying to make recipe with weight loss food, and this is also perfect as well. So we are still going to make our flour, oatmeal flour. So I just add 2 cups of oatmeal into my blender jar. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my oats to get a oat flour. So that is what I need to make my swallow or my fufu, my oats fufu. So this is very delicious and it's very easy to make. So after blending it until we get the flour or the powder method, so I'm going to transfer it into a bowl so you see how the powder looks. It looks smooth and it looks perfect. It depends on your blender, so this is perfectly okay for it. So we just go straight to the stove top and start making our swallow or our fufu. So I already put water in a pot, so I allow the water to boil, properly boiled. So to make it more easy, you just need to remove some water because you are going to need some hot water to cook your swallow, your fufu very well, oatmeal swallow very well. So I just add the powder. I'll just be adding it gently. Then I'll keep on stirring it so it will not have some lumps, so it will not have some seed or whatever I feel like calling it. Just keep on stirring it without stopping. So when you are doing this, if you are afraid of the heat, you can as well reduce your heat. At this moment, I'm doing it in a medium flame, not too high, using my cooker in a medium. So I'll keep on stirring it and add more flour, oatmeal flour, to make it more thick. So this is the outcome after using all my flour. As I said, I use only 2 cups. You can as well increase it. It all depends on the size or your family size that are going to eat this fufu or this oatmeal swallow. So I'll just stir this and it's perfectly okay. Then I'll go ahead and add the water I reserved earlier. It's also hot water. You can use room temperature water. Anyone you feel you are comfortable with, you can as well add that, but I already reserved that earlier. So I'm going to allow this to cook for just a minute and then we come back to it. These are quick, this cook fast and it's very easy to prepare, as I said earlier in the video. If you are yet to like my video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so to encourage us to do more, and then you get notification of my new videos when I upload. So I'll just keep on turning this just to make everything well firm, and it's already cooked and it's perfectly ready. So I just want everything to be well firm so there will not be some liquid below the fufu. So I already put my clean thing in a plate. Then I'll just wrap my swallow, all my swallow, so it will not get thick, like dry in the surface before I start eating it. You can enjoy this with any soup, any Nigerian soup. You can enjoy it with egusi soup. You can eat it with peanut soup. You can eat it with banga soup. You can eat it with ogbolo. Any soup you have available, you can eat it. But this is my oatmeal swallow. I'm going to be eating it with okra soup. I already prepared my lady finger, so I'm going to enjoy this with my okra soup. It goes really well. It just goes straight once you swallow it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my oatmeal swallow into my plate so you see how it looks. It looks really good. Then I'm going to as well show you the texture of this oatmeal swallow or oatmeal fufu, how it looks like. So this is how I normally make my oatmeal swallow, my oatmeal fufu. This is how I prepare my oatmeal fufu. If you really enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and please drop down a comment in the comment section to see more of this recipe, or if you want me to show you more of Nigeria soup, I'm going to show you how to prepare it. So this is how it looks. It looks perfectly fine. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please watch more of my video. Hope to see you all in my next video, and bye bye.